Drawing toward cause yes. Had to change the mouth law. See, this is the reason why I love drawing hands.
The leg was especially crisis-taking.
Cutely disintegrates and comes back.
My messy coloring be like. Diet, why did I take so long?
That's actually so real, like we all go through that.
The fact that people say how I can draw with just a finger is insane. I cannot explain how much I hate shading hair in real life. Again, why did I take so long?
Giving toward the wrong pants is so me.
At signature cutely.
Anyways, bye-bye my books.